Hello everyone, welcome back to the Big Book of Animals. We got a banging animal to show you guys today. So we previously read about the small and medium cats and the large cats. See, this is the jaguar, this is the lion. The largest one is this one, the Siberian tiger. And the largest one and the other one is going to be somewhat like the cheetah, as they mentioned it. And so today we're going to be reading about seals, sea lions, and furred seals. Those are the walruses on a different page, but it's just one walrus and it's kind of going to be a little bit dull, so we're going to add that with the same one, but we're still going to read about it anyways, so that you guys can learn more about it. Okay, seals, sea lions, and furred seals. There are three families of carnivores that spend most of their time in salt water. These are the eared seals, or otodids, the true seals, or phocids, and walruses. Together, these animals are often called pinnipeds, which means fin-footed in Latin. All hunt a variety of marine prey, including fish, mollusks, and in some cases, each other. They are also highly social during the breeding and calving seasons when they gather in large, often noisy herds on beaches and rocky areas. Seals, sea lions, and walruses have streamlined bodies for swimming and large eyes so they can see their prey underwater. Their lungs are reinforced with cartilage to withstand the pressure changes when they dive. To save energy, their heart rate also goes down during a dive. The eared seals have dog-like ear flaps. They are the sea lions and their close relatives, the furred seals. In water, they swim with their front flippers. On land, they pull up their rear flippers up and under their bodies and use them like feet. True seals, by comparison, do not have ear flaps and cannot use their rear flippers for walking. They move like inchworms on dry land. True seals are also excellent divers and can hold their breath for up to 2 hours. Lifespans for seals, sea lions, furred seals, and walruses ranges from 15 to 30 years. Brown seal. They live in off coasts of Africa and Australia. They are 79 to 792 pounds or 36 to 360 kilograms, and they eat mostly fish, also crustaceans, squid, and octopus. Male pinnipeds often weigh hundreds of pounds more than females of the same species. The brown fur seal is one example. The female shown here weighs 80 to 220 pounds or 36 to 110 kilograms. And the male weighs 440 to 790 pounds or 200 to 360 kilograms. Southern elephant seal. They live in Antarctica, Australia, Argentina, New Zealand, South Africa, South Sandwich, and South Georgia Islands. They are 611 to 8,811 pounds or 300 to 4,000 kilograms, and they eat sharks, fish, squid, shrimp, and crabs. Male southern elephant seals are larger than any other carnivore. Females are much smaller. Both have short front flippers for steering and webbed back flippers for propelling forward. Galapagos sea lion. They live on the Galapagos Islands. They are 110.1 to 550.7 pounds or 50 to 250 kilograms, and they eat fish, octopus, crustaceans, and squid. When not in the water hunting, sea lions haul out on dry land. Female sea lions often sunbathe together on the beach. The lead male patrols the beach to fight off competitors. When he can, he rests in the shade under a tree or rock cliff. Bearded seal. They live in the Arctic Ocean. They are 440 to 950 pounds or 199.6 to 430.9 kilograms, and they eat crustaceans and mollusks. Bearded seals prefer shallow Arctic waters with plenty of fish and floating ice. This species has no need for dry land. Instead, it climbs onto a piece of ice and drifts with it, migrating north in winter and south in summer. Leopard seal. They live in Antarctic coast and islands, coast of southern Africa and southern Australia, Tasmania, New Zealand, Cook Islands, and South America. They are 440 to 1,300 pounds, or 199.6 to 589.7 kilograms, and they eat krill, other seals, especially fern crab eater, penguins, also squid, and fish. Leopard seals are top predators in the Antarctic. About a third of their diet is krill, which they filter using special molars. Other seals make up another third. The rest is penguins, fish, and squid. Northern elephant seal. They live off coast of North America from Gulf of Alaska to Baja California, Mexico. And they are 1,300 to 5,000 pounds, or 600 to 2,300 kilograms. And they eat squid, octopus, fish, small sharks, and skate. Male elephant seals have a large nose called a proboscis. By filling it with air, they can make loud calls that establish breeding rights. These seals can dive as deep as a mile or 1,500 meters and stay down for more than an hour. And we have the walrus page right here, but I'm going to read like this so that you can get to know it a little bit better. The walrus is more like a seal than a sea lion, except that it can bend its back flippers forward. It is found only in Arctic waters, where it uses its whiskers and snout to find food. The modified canine teeth of the walrus are used in fighting with other males. Though this species can hold its breath, the longest it can stay underwater is 10 minutes. Walruses tend to stay near the shoreline as they are a favorite food of the killer whale. And we have the walrus. They live in the Arctic. They are 880 to 3,740 pounds, or 399.2 to 1,696.4 kilograms, and they eat bottom-living invertebrates such as mollusks, mussels, crustaceans, and some fish and seals. Walruses are the most social marine carnivores. Thousands often haul out together, though males and females only mix during the breeding season. To attract females, males do more than display their tusks. They sing, click, cluck, blow, and whistle. And now before we read on to our next animal, which is elephants, we have to go over the largest and smallest in our group. So, let's take another look again. From what I know, the smallest is the Galapagos sea lion. And then the largest one, like they mentioned, is the southern elephant seal. So they kind of have different ranges, but most of them somewhat live in cold regions, but some live in warmer. Alright guys, this is going to end it. Thanks for watching. Follow my social media, and peace.